So a couple nights ago, 3 in the morning, my loudmouth dogs, they're good for something, but they went ahead and alerted me somebody's out here in the scrap pile. Check this shit out. Daily, 4 a.m. Get this fucking dog. Got him a raccoon under the trailer, and he won't come inside. Watch him in. Watch him. You got him. You got him in. You got him. Watch him. Look at that savage. Now you want that shit? Yeah, get that apple. Yeah, play with the apple. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You going for the apple? What, you trying to come out here? Oh, you little trash panda. Go on. What about your day? I'm not gonna bug you. Shit, almost wore him a 50 cal straight up, but he's lucky I like animals. I'll excuse him, even gave him an apple and shit, but not people. I like animals. I don't like people snooping around. I infringed on that raccoon's habitat. You know what I'm saying? Don't you infringe on mine, or I won't greet you so kindly. One thing is, I'll catch your ass. These dogs, you hear them bark. I can't even have them outside when I'm doing a video near an ATV. They go outside at night, and they keep it. Got you half mile of dog, quarter mile of dogs barking at you before you go to touching shit. And I wake up all excited. This is a raccoon. Woke me up and ruined my night all in one. Could have made the news, boys. All right, so dudes, a lot of you guys have asked about some of the scrap pile, and a lot of it's projects that just like when it slows down, I'm gonna get to them. You know what I mean? But I don't part them out. I know lots of them don't have all the parts on them, but that's because like good fenders and tanks and seats, I'll take inside. I'll plug the motor or whatever. This thing's just a roller, a couple BWs, a tri-moto. I got a couple to look at out here when we get stuck. Ooh, that'll probably run, dudes. It's got good compression. Little Z50 that I gotta get to. The ZB50 that's obviously been ruined. The Spree over there hasn't really sucked. This one I started on, but then I got it running, and then the clutch started slipping, so I just pushed it out here, out of my damn way. And I'll get back to it, but it'll start and run. When stuff gets slow, I'll come out here and grab one of these, and take it inside and get it running, And sometimes I buy machines that come with machines I didn't necessarily want. So they come out here, and then I wait. And then whenever the time's right and stuff's slow, then I mess with it. So that's pretty much that.
That little cat.
She knows she's gonna get under a Yamaha for shelter. You would never. One's not stable enough to be taking no nap under you. Don't be napping under no Honda. You'll be sorry. A bunch of different bikes. LT50 or ALT50. There's a Tri-Zinger right there. Old Z50, Manco Thunderbird, CR60. Couple knockoff China Z50s. RV90, KX100, CRF70, CR80. Little Husky Boy 50 and an LEM 50, and there's a Express next to that. So lots of motor. We were doing eBay for a while, so there's lots of motors and stuff in here on stuff we got that we don't want to fix that we parted out. So whenever I have a nice project, I decided to make those lifted BW80s, and I pretty much, if it wouldn't have been for having them shocks out here, I never would have found out that stuff worked. So we're building us another shop out here, so a 30 by 50 right over there. So then I can get some more stuff around here, you know what I mean? That's projects. So, little look around. Look at this bad boy. This will be at Pate. If y'all see this at Pate, just know, yes, I am pimping. You know what I'm saying? This thing can haul a lot of puss. Oh,
There's plastics.
be out there.
Are you gonna take that that white vehicle with the green and purple flames?
No, I don't have room for that. This gotta be running. I ain't taking nothing out there that ain't running.
Oh, okay.
But if this thing is out there the first night after the first day of opening, best believe we filling it with ice and Bud Light. You can take that to the bank. That'll sell it right there. I'll drive around with that Bud Light in there, tell them it's the one, you know. Figure there's $200 worth of beer in the bed of it. Plus, I want $1,500 for the machine, so they give me $2,250 because I get them desperate when they see the Bud Lights.
Better buy it sooner.
Yeah, better buy it. Better buy it before that. All right. Shouts out Matt Compton. Come here, guys. Look at what Matt Compton did. Matt, does your wife know about you? About this? I hope so, buddy. Because you already sent the money. It's your problem now. Ready? Matt Compton's real opportunistic. You know what I'm saying? And he came over here, and we did a trade, and he got him a Raptor 80, a good little unit, and then he wanted this one. So he kind of made it happen. That one's all Matt Compton's right there. So she's going to be in here safe, dude. But Blake's back in town and stuff, you know, so watch out.
Might want to come get her.
Might want to come get her. But I'm going to take a lot more of this out to paint with us. Some 50s and some a bunch of 50s and our big wheels to ride. But some of these projects I got to get running before paint. I'm probably going to get 4 or 5 running out of that building. All this shit runs except for maybe a couple little deals in there. And if you guys want to meet us, come out to paint because we'll be there. Get up in there, boys. Get up in there, dudes. I salute you, patrons. Appreciate it. So you guys get this long before YouTube. And there's a lot more. There's a lot more. You know what I'm saying? But we're just giving you a little walk around right here. So I appreciate it. Be sure and get up in there. Don't share the videos on Patreon. Share the YouTube videos if you can, guys. I appreciate it. So good looks and out. Thanks, guys. Dates and give me that copy. I got her. Look at that. She's a specimen. Look there. Look at that. That's a cat. Pretty sure this is a cat. Is this a cat? That's a Texas Wildcat. She's all pissed off. I like to rattle her up, and then she takes her wrath out on all these little animals. She likes to come out here and turn over fenders, look under stuff, get snakes and cats, and then she likes to go up to Matt Compton's seat and go, scratch, scratch, scratch. That's what she does. She said, that's my 3-wheeler. F y'all's whole crap y'all got going on.
Money me.
Money me. Money me. Money need me. Me need a lot me. So remember that. Don't ever forget it.